Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. This is your first time to the channel. I'm Art.
I'm Dana.
Today we are going to tackle the next project on our 4Runner. If you saw our last episode when we were actually installing the OEM rear sliding cargo tray, I mentioned that there was some things coming up that we're working on, and we did that video simply to be able to help others that may end up getting that slide, but we took it right back out because we actually are leveling up on our storage and I guess outdoor game when it comes to the 4Runner, because we actually purchased this full set of storage system and slide out from Wes at SHW Offroad. These are amazing drawer systems that he fully designs and makes. So I had to pick one up knowing that Dana and I are going to be doing more overlanding, more longer trips, and 'tis the season right now that we are starting to get out and do off-roading, do camping, and it's time to get it done.
Yes.
So in this episode, basically we're going to pull this back out and we're going to go ahead and put some epoxy on it so that way it is about as weatherproof and outdoors proof as we can end up making it, so the wood won't get damaged when we're throwing all of our gear on top of it. When we're out slinging mud, we know that this is going to be
Contents may shift in transit.
they most definitely will on some of these outings. So stick along for this episode. A lot of it is going to be sped up to kind of show the transition and kind of where we land and how it looks finally with everything in, to include the fridge freezer setup that we have. So here we go.
Woohoo!
What I'm going to coat the drawer system in is Sherwin Armor Seal Tread Plex. This is typically used for like garage floors. It is an acrylic floor covering, so it should definitely take the abuse that these are going to have, nowhere compared to what a garage floor has. But this should work out really well, and I got it tinted a special color, so let's get into it.
few moments later.
It's been a long day working on this, but I am incredibly happy with the results and how it turned out. As you saw of putting the last bit of hardware on, and of course we have our Iceco fridge freezer combo that actually goes on the slide. So in order to be able to access this, very convenient, slide, then it tilts, and then easy access to everything that we have inside. Love that feature. It's going to be huge because we have been carrying around a very large cooler for the longest period of time, and to have to take it out and put it back in each time was definitely an inconvenience. Other drawers, which I'll go ahead and show you now. In addition to the slide, we also have these drawer systems. These lock. Very solid length. Then the larger drawer I can make some dividers if I want to kind of close these off into smaller compartments. This will actually reduce a lot of our storage that we had on top of the 4Runner on the roof rack, so I'm excited about this as well. Everything locks in there, and then one of the cool features that it has, or one of the additional cool features that it has, this hidden drawer right here is lockable. Pull this, pull it out, store anything that we need secured, put it in, lock it up with the key. All right, another project done, and this particular one had some timeliness to it because next weekend is our first off-roading and camping trip of the year. So we are incredibly excited, very eager to get to use this. So thanks for stopping by, checking out the drawer system and the project for it. We certainly appreciate it. Until next week, stay safe, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.